At the heart of the Boardwalk systems is the Cuboid, which is the Boardwalk table. Each Cuboid corresponds to a worksheet range of data. To get to the Cuboid data, one needs to be provided with access to the Cuboid. This is where Cuboid access control comes in. Users who have not been given access to the Cuboid will not be able to access the Cuboid and hence will not be able to see the data. Access to columns can be controlled too. For example, in the case of an employee's HR record, where the employee may be able to see all their data, excepting the rating the manager may have given. The employee's access is restricted to the columns they can see, and the manager's rating is not included in the column access control configuration for the employee. Row access can limit the rows that one user can see. For example, salespeople can only see their customers' forecast records, but their manager can see all their records. Row access control is configured to allow salespeople to access their records, and their manager's access control is configured to access his salespeople's records. There may be other salespeople that do not report to this sales manager, and row control can be configured to access only the salespeople he is responsible for. Thus, Boardwalk's functions of refresh, submit, link import, link export, and all the history functions need to navigate through all the access control to get to the data. For example, if a user does not have access to certain data, they cannot refresh data from the database or submit data to the database. Also, if the user does not have access to certain data rows, then the user cannot perform the history functions on that data set.